Hey guys, in front of us right now we have one of our vehicle-specific dual battery kits designed for the Holden Colorado or Isuzu Dmax, and one with a tub. It's designed to go behind the rear wheel arch here up to the back tailgate. So I'll just run through what's included in this kit. So it's a vehicle-specific tray made by TLR products here in Australia. Great thing about that is it utilises existing tie-down points and securing points in the vehicle, the strongest point that we can get to. Some of the problems with just mounting a battery box in the back is it can crack the tub and batteries can actually go through the tub. So this utilises the strongest points, existing points through the floor to alleviate that problem. So I'll just run through what's on this kit. One end you're going to see the Redarc BC-DC charger. So that's our battery management system for the battery inside this box. So it becomes our isolator, it's our DC-DC charger, and it's also our solar controller. In saying that, on this other end, we've got an Anderson plug to accept solar directly into the Redarc. So that'll be at the tailgate end of your vehicle when you're camping. Easy access to throw your blanket out on the ground, plug it into that point, and the Redarc becomes the solar reg. Beside that, you've got your choice of any two sockets. So this particular one has two USB points and a cigarette socket, so a 12-volt outlet. And on the other end, which would be the back of the vehicle, this end, is your choice of another socket, most commonly to run the fridge because it's at the back, usually stays plugged in the whole time that you're traveling. So basically this is more commonly the fridge, and these are your easiest access points to charge devices on the tailgate, plug in LED lights, that type of thing. Inside the kit, we take the lid off, is all the cabling required to install this into your vehicle. So firstly, we're going to see the long harness that gets us up into the engine bay to connect to the main battery, and the fuse holder that goes along with that. One other part of this section is the ignition tap. The ignition tap right there. So that's for vehicles with variable voltage alternators. We can tap into the fuse box up the front using a little fuse holder, also supplied in the kit, to tap in to get our ignition feed for the Redarc. Inside the kit also is everything we need to secure our battery into position. J-bolts, a cross beam, and the cross beam also has a mount for our MIDI fuse holder just to keep it nice and neat. We've got all our nuts and bolts required to secure this into position. And we've also got a few fuse holders in here, or two fuse holders. So what we've done is separated this socket and this socket on its own circuit. Good thing about that is if you ever had a problem or you plugged in something that was faulty and it popped a fuse, you're not going to lose all power from the box. If you pop the fuse on this socket, you've still got this one, or vice versa. So that's why we've gone and separated those two outlets onto separate circuits. So there's a run through of this box. The next video will show you how to get this installed into your Dmax or Holden Colorado behind us. So we're going to go ahead and install this right now.